Hello, everyone. We are group 2 that we are discussing about the case study review for application of quality function development method for pultrusion machine design planning. And the paper is written by Rahman Abdul Rahim and Sarip Nabibas from University Technology Malaysia. And next, we are consist for 3 members. First, Eko Ilman Gunawan, Melanie Duwia, and for the third is William Tantono. And for Pak William, sorry, he cannot attend this presentation because he is still on duty. Then, yeah, and we can next to next slide. Next, Mbak Melanie. Okay, let me share screen. Okay. Yeah, this is the first slide that we are. The background for the paper is about the most of the pultrusion machine used in Malaysia are imported from UK and USA. The imported machines are expensive and difficult to maintain due to shortage or of spare parts. This is the illustration of pultrusion machine. Yeah, this is the complex machine. Actually, the pultrusion machine is a manufacturing process for converting reinforced fibers and liquid resin into fiber reinforced plastic, also known as a fiber reinforced polymer of FRP. The pultrusion process allows continued production of FRP structural shape in an automated, energy-efficient process by pulling fiberglass ropings through a resin bed or resin impregnator that completely saturate the reinforcement. The resin hardened from the heated steel pultrusion die, resulting in a strong, lightweight final product that follows the shape of the die. This is the brief explanation about the pultrusion machine. So yeah, we can next to the paper discussion, Mbak Melanie.
Okay, thank you, Mas Ilman. In this slide, we talking about the theoretical framework. The purpose of this paper is to identify the development function or QFD as one of the tools that can be used for customer needs, where QFD can connect customer needs with product provider companies. And for increasing market demand, as well as increasingly rich computation requires the advantage of new innovation, combination of strategy and technology for product development to determine the company's success in the future. And in the design of this project, making the pultrusion machine the first cast to be applied to the front cast. And EFD begins with identify the customer and determining requirement. And beside here, the flow chart of this project. The first we can see identify customer, determine customer requirement. After that, review customer requirement. So construct QFD table and determine technical requirement that correspond to customer requirement. And for determine technical requirement, this is divided to 3 process. The first is operation goals or target. Second one is direction for improvement. And last one is the competitive technical assessment. And after that, determine relationship through weightage ranking, so correlation among technical requirement. And after that is complete HOQI contraction, general machine specification, and the last is concept design generation.
This one is the step-by-step for the paper. The step 1 is project identification stage. And the project for this pultrusion machine is limited to the general specification and the checklist of customer requirement, because the constraint of budget, time, and the product itself. And for the step 2 is customer information portion, and the paper considering three main factors to get the data. The first is machine operator, second maintenance person, and the management, which is will have the big picture to decide buying for purchasing the machine. And also the factor also taken from the faculty staff who have a reference and skill that are close to the condition of the real customer. So this is not a real customer. Yeah, they made, and the condition is close to the real customer from the faculty itself. And the step 3 is technical information support. The technical information support also determination technical requirement research from outside. Also, they considering the literature review, factory visit, competitors, and competitor product and internet as the technical information support. And the step 1 is review. Before further analysis after HOK is constructed, we have they review the HOK itself, and if any missing or any copy information, they will prepare. And also the step and then the step 5 is completion. After HOK constructed, yeah, and review, and then they will decide and finalization that HOK, then before go through further process. This is the step-by-step detail of each stage that will Bu Melanie explain.
Okay, thank you, Mas Ilman. This is the first is project identification stage. We can see the product specification, and this is surround the information getting from management personnel, basic technical requirements, regulatory bodies, machine operator, and also maintenance personnel. And this figure identification of scope, project, and team members information. This is from customer for machine design and manufacture. So for the table developed to determine ways for obtaining information from customer. And after identification and also interview, we get the author get the customer information portion, as we can see on the slide here, for the requirements like safety and health, production speed, availability of spare, and etc. So based on the information guide, 3 hosts of quality will be developed, which are the first HOK for management quality, HOK for maintenance quality, and last one is HOK for operators quality. And the third step, this is the technical information support. This is divided into 2 types. The first, identify customer. After that, determine customer needs, and the last, getting the prioritize customer needs. So for summarization of customer information, the first, determine direction for improvement. Next is set operational goals or target value, and last is complete HOK. And the second, this is identify other customers beyond the end user need, involve marketing and technical staff. After that, determine customer needs through survey, interview, focus group, and exercise. And also the same, the result, the author gets sort and prioritize customer needs, and determination technical requirements resources from outside must also include like literature review, factory visit, competitors product, internet, and exercise. And this is the last result, the result of host of quality. The first, management quality. And the outlet to the left here, we can see the first is low running cost. The customer requirement is low operation cost. So for technical recruitment, these are low maintenance cost, low power consumption, minimum workers, and also low material wastage. So the second one here is high productivity. We can see high production rate. These are no production delay, quick startup, low startup time, quick productions, high production capacity, and also high product capability. And the last one, this is long life. For customer requirement, this is long machine and mode life. So technical requirements, these are long mode life and also long machine life. So for the description table, we can see from the relationship matrix. I mean, this is these are like strong, medium, or weak. So the second one, this is the operator's quality. The outline to the left here. We can see also the first is easy to operate. This is divided to type. The first is machine control. These are easily feasible, within reach, short stroke, fast button, operable from any side, and also simple adjustment. So for the display panel, the technical requirement, these are easy to look, easy to read, warning. And the second one, this is no safety hazard. This also divided with three types. The first is construct with moving part of masonry. Second one is hot surface and also electrical hazard. And the last one is no hot hazard. This is these are fiber cost, resign, noise hazard, and also vibration. So for the description of table, we can see also from the relationship matrix. Next.
Okay, for the next slide is about the host of quality from maintenance quality. And also, before we forget mention that the host of quality concept that we are using here is not fully using. It's only some like column weight scale and relative customer. The paper made diminish here because due to there is no relative customer here in the paper. That's why we to the point to the relationship. And for the maintenance quality, host of quality, and the point is for maintenance is easy to maintain. That in terms of its part replacement, lubrication, and cleaning of machine and adjustment, and also less physical effort to maintain. This is also the main consideration from the maintenance. And the second one is easy access to maintain parts. Yeah, easy open to machine closer, easy reach by hand, and maintain component are visible, and also use simple tools. And the number 3 is easy to troubleshoot. When troubleshoot coming, the indicator of our faulty operation is easy. Alarm warning is clear and automatic shut off, and also offline monitoring. And for
1 more minute.
Oh, okay. And alarm warning and easy mode change. This is the last one of HOK of maintenance. And the last one is the conclusion and recommendation. Here is the conclusion from the paper is KFD is one of the most valuable tools that can be used when developing a new product. It's a structured method where all customer requirements can be analyzed built in during the design stage. To ensure its effectiveness, the use of KFD technique must be carried out for filtration machine. All steps involved were explained, hence 3 HOK were constructed to satisfy requirement of the customer. And general machine specification were derived from the HOK. From this depth specification, concept design will review, and the one which satisfies most of the customer's requirement will be selected. And recommendation from the group is the first
I guess time is up. Okay, thank you.